Hey guys, and welcome to a new episode of BLONITY, Blockchain Opportunities for Everyone. Yeah, today is a huge day for Hive, and that's why I make an update, because the first video is 3 weeks old now. Many things happened, and the price is picking up very fast here. Today we have 12% in gains so far, and we were a lot higher. So yeah, there are huge news for Hive blockchain. Today they announced they have entered into an agreement to buy GPU-One's new 50 megawatt campus of data centers in New Brunswick. That's huge. That's 50 megawatts. I tried to analyze this news, and yeah, they say it's right now it's a memorandum of understanding, a MOU. So there are not much details because it's not fixed right now, but it's very interesting. Hive want to purchase 100% of the shares in a proposed transaction. They're still negotiating, and it's about 50 megawatts in Grand Falls in New Brunswick. Where is this? Grand Falls is in Canada, so the temperatures are pretty good for mining here. Wait a second. So Eastern Canada, good temperatures here, and they have a lot of water there too. It's hydro energy. We can see it here. The hydropower plant is here, and they have a few more in this area. I don't know exactly where the data center is, but we will find out. The Grand Falls generating power station has 66 megawatts in its 4 turbines. So there you can see why this city is called Grand Falls. There's a lot of hydropower there. Okay, let's go on. Further and important to building our vision is the GPU-One team of young, skilled, and proven data center professionals with deep high-density data center build-out and maintenance experience who will take on executive positions within Hive's organization. The data center in Sweden and Iceland, they are right now operated by GPU-One. The one in Quebec is operated by the operators from Cryptology, where the facility was bought from. And I think this new data center, if this comes true, will be operated by GPU-One. We don't know yet whether it's gonna be a ASIC or Bitcoin mining data center or a GPU Ethereum mining data center, because GPU-One is not only mining with GPUs, they are also operating ASIC data centers for Bitcoin mining, like the data centers from Argo blockchain in Quebec. So, but yeah, we don't know it right now, so we cannot speculate here. Maybe it's GPU based and it's an Ethereum mining data center. It's gonna be very interesting. We have to wait a little bit. It's 100% hydro, renewable energy, and they have their own software. It's ahead of the competition and so on. And there's also room for expansion here. And yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, the GPU-One guys, they are building new data centers and sell them, I think. Here we can see 70 megawatts is the capacity there. And the 50 megawatts are right now in full operation. So I'm not 100% sure whether there are the miners are already there, or is only the transformer and the capacity in full operation. We don't know it yet. It's gonna be very interesting. Also, I think it's not gonna be cheap, because at the start of a bull market, the prices are going up for data centers. I don't know how Hive will purchase it, whether they will sell some shares, dilute a little bit their stocks, or make a loan, or do both, or use the cash they have. It's going to be very interesting, but very good news for Hive. Expansion, they want to reach 1,000 petahash in the next 12 months. additional to their huge Ethereum mining. So that would be a nice diversification here. Great news. Okay, let's go to the next use, a little bit older right now. Sorry. It was about the last expansion. We had it 3 weeks ago. I missed that one because Hive increases the Bitcoin mining production with the purchase of 1,240 next generation miners while upgrading its GPU chips to mine Ethereum in the cloud. Okay, 3 weeks ago, they bought from DMG blockchain the 1,240 MicroBT Watts miner M30S with 113 petahash, and they don't put them into their mining facility in Quebec. Yeah, they run at DMG, so DMG sold them, but they hosted them, and they're running them for Hive now in their facility in British Columbia, Christiana Lake. It's an 80 megawatt facility for hosting only. This was the only hardware from DMG they owned, so they have no self-mining as I'm aware of right now, and they sold it. They sold it for 3.4 million US dollars or 2,700 US dollars. Yeah, in my opinion, it's expensive. It's not a very good price here. Furthermore, these miners are used because we can see here DMG blockchain, they bought in May 20 petahash, and in September, in June they bought additional 1,000 ASIC miners. So I think these are the miners there they sold now, and that's what they say. DMH Hive as a client and sells the miners, and yes, so the miners are used. They bought a high price for it. Yeah, but that's how you see that the Hive tries to expand aggressively, so they are able to pay a higher price. Yeah, I think they should think about a purchasing contract with Bitmain or MicroBT or something like this, because they're ordering here 75, 750 S17s, here a little bit, here 200, here. I mean, that's so small, and you don't get good prices in these orders. Make a nice contract with one of the suppliers, like Riot did, and you will get better prices. You will get the hardware in time. That's what I would recommend to Hive. Maybe they will do it. Okay, so that was the news here. A lot of expansion with Hive. Then I want to talk about the Q3 results, because at the end of the month they have to release them. Yeah, they released some news at the end of September that they mined 32,000 Ethereum. So that's a record for Hive. Huge increase. Yeah, because of the big fees in Ethereum. I will show you later. So from quarter to quarter, they increased their production here. And the good thing is that they also increased the price. The price of Ethereum increased a lot. So yeah, we can expect a lot of revenue here. This article says 12.4 million from Ethereum and Ethereum Classic mining. Yeah, they forget here the BTCs. I think that's maybe 1 million. So we can expect 13 million or something like this in revenue in Q3, I think. And the profit is going also very high. Yeah, I will show you the electricity prices in Sweden 1. So now we have the monthly data. In October, it's 20 euro per megawatt, so a little bit more US dollars. So let's say 23 US dollars or something like this per megawatt. In September it was 30. So, and in August 17, and in June 8 euros. So let's say 20 to 25 US dollars per megawatt. So electricity very cheap in Sweden. Last year we had 30, 40, 50 euro per megawatt hour. So right now electricity very cheap in Sweden. So the operational margin should be very high. So we will see what the stock price is doing right now. It's doing very well at 82 Canadian dollar cents. So we have here these nice run up. I think this could continue, but yeah, remember it's risky and it's very volatile. So we will have pullbacks here. But yeah, I'm excited for the results. Furthermore, in the last video, I mentioned the call-loss, the possible call-loss expansion. I mean, right now it's maybe it's unlikely because they in 2019 they had a impairment there. They said, okay, it's unlikely that we can build it. Here, management assessed whether there were any indicators of impairment. Managers has concluded that it is no longer probable that the company will be able to meet the development conditions of having the property developed by March 2023. And I think in the financial results, this is the MD&A. In the financial results, they say, they have to raise 22 million US dollars until March 2021. I mean, it would be very nice, but in my opinion, the chances are below 50% right now. Also because of the expansion with the GPU facility here with 50 megawatts. Yeah, they're looking for different locations, so maybe there are issues they cannot solve in Norway. We don't know, but it's still a chance. We will see. Okay, right now Ethereum mining is also very attractive. I want to show you a few metrics here. The last time we talked a lot about Bitcoin mining metrics. Ethereum is crazy volatile. So the most important number for the miners is the mining profitability. Right now it's at 0.04 US dollars per day per 1 mega hash. So it's very high right now. In this chart you see the numbers of yesterday. So tomorrow this is going to be here. And what you can also see here in the 1 year chart, the Q3 was pretty good. Started here and ended here. So we had these nice peaks here, and this was the DeFi stuff. They released some coins or airdropped some coins on the Ethereum blockchain, or they traded some coins there. I don't know exactly. There were a lot of transactions, and so the Ethereum blockchain was full, and then the fees went crazy. I think to $20 at this day, $25. I mean, that was really crazy, and it was only short term. So these peaks here are from DeFi. Maybe it was a little bubble. The bubble popped. Now the price also from Ethereum peaked here at 480 US dollars. Then it calmed down a little bit, and now it's gaining again because of the price in Ethereum. Today we reached 600 US dollars, so big gains in the last few days, and that's good for the mining profitability here. Let's check out the 3 years. So what you can expect in the bull run, so or in the peak. I will show you here. Okay, what we can see here, the peaks of the Ethereum mining profitability are very stable. Here in 2016 it was at 30 cents per 1 mega hash per day. Here it was at 24, and here it was at 18. So no one knows where it goes in the next bull run, but because of the DeFi stuff here, we can see we were at 10 cents at one day, so it was not far away from the last peaks, and it's just the beginning of the bull run. I think it depends on how fast will Ethereum scale to solve their issues with their fees and with the blockchain. Right now they have only 14 transactions per second. I mean, that's nothing. They want to go to 1 million or more, and they need their scaling solutions online, like sharding and all this stuff, but this needs time. At the beginning of September, they will start the phase 0 of Ethereum 2.0, where you are able to stake your coins because they want to get away from mining. So mining in 1 or 2 years is dead. Ethereum is also what we have to know. So Hive at some point has to go to Bitcoin mining or another coin, because Ethereum wants to get rid of mining, and but until that, there's still a possibility for huge profits. And as I know, it's Ethereum, there are often delays with these upgrades. Okay, so in December, phase 0, you can stake, but no scaling solutions. They're implemented, and in the next 1 or 2 years, they want to implement the phase 1 and phase 2, or maybe both phases in one upgrade, and then you will not be able to mine Ethereum again. Then it's only staking, so you have to give your coins there, and yeah, we will get an interest there. So it's also an interesting business model. I think this is what Hive will do with their staked Ethereum. So that's why I hope they will stake a lot in the next month to be able to stake and earn interest here. But this is gonna be very interesting. What else do we have in Ethereum mining? Okay, this is the fixed reward right now. The two ETH per block. Every 15 seconds, a block is mined. Then we have the base fee here. It's 0.8 Ethereum, the transaction fee here. Compared to the highs, it's low right now. It was at the peak at 6, so it tripled or quadrupled the base reward. This is what I also expect for Bitcoin in the next bull run. We will see how Ethereum here will develop, and we can see in one day the mining reward altogether 11 million US dollars, 12,900 from base reward, 5,500 from fees, and yeah, I think this is uncle reward, and I don't know the other one. I have to check it out. Difficulty is it's rising. We are close to a new all-time high here. The last one was in June 2018. And yeah, let's check the hash rate. Yeah, because hash rate is rising. Let's have a last look on the G trends, the Google trends. We see we're not even close to the peaks of 2017, 2018 in the Google trend searches for Ethereum. So we are very early here, but the price of Ethereum is going up very fast right now because people get excited about Ethereum 2.0 phase 0. Google it if you need more information here, or maybe I'll do a video about it. That's why I think the stock will rise if Ethereum rises. Okay, so I think that's about the Hive update and a little bit about Ethereum. Yeah, there is a lot of information. I mean, I have one other metric here. I'm working on some metrics for you guys. I do a calculation to compare all the miners for every day, the mining margins, to check out which miner right now is undervalued, which one is overvalued. But it's not finished yet. I mean, Hive is doing very good right now because of the Ethereum mining, and I will show you when I have finished this. I'm starting, and I worked on this. I have a lot of data collected here, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. And then I found an old Excel sheet from 2017, 2018 about Hive blockchain. That was my first. I mean, this thing was big, and what I forgot that time, that the bear market is in front of me, and I calculated, ETH is going to 10,000, and they will stake a lot, and they will stake a lot of Bitcoin, and I did a lot of calculation here, crazy stuff, pivot, and so on. I had a metric when it's overvalued and undervalued for day trading and all this stuff. But I stopped, I think, in 2019 or so, because the stock price went to shit then, and I started to buy other stocks, and yeah, I made a lot of money with Hive in 2017. I lost a lot of money in 2018 and 19 with Hive, and now I'm making a lot of money. So I'm in green right now, so it's okay. I will pick up these metrics again and compare the miners, and I want to give you as much data as I have. Remember, guys, no financial advice. Thanks for watching, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.